Hi crafty friends, welcome back to Crafting with the Gringas. In today's video we're going to be talking about planners. So I'm doing a series that's going to be Sprint to the New Year, where we're going to be talking about planners and organization and things like that that we can use throughout the year, or decorations possibly that we could have in our home that can help us, that look pretty but also are functional. And so stay tuned for that. But today we're going to just have a little quick talk about planners and what I've been using in my planner and what's been working for me. So let's get started. The first on my list is this cute little planner, and this is actually my fitness planner. And so what I have here is I've just gone through and made a bunch of these with a ruler and a pen, and I was going to use some highlighter, but it bleeds through really bad to the other page, and so I just decided I can use some fun little colored pens or things like that, and hopefully that will be fun and make it look pretty. But so what I have here is I've been putting this planner I've had for a little while. I've already been using it. I did get sick and dropped the ball a little bit. I am going to start filling this out again and doing this. I don't usually like to do New Year's resolutions. I would rather just, if I feel motivated in the year to do it, as opposed to waiting till January, because I feel like you could probably sometimes it's easier to stay motivated, or you're either going to stay motivated or you're not, and it doesn't have to be in January, right? And so this is my little fitness planner, and so I've got a place right here for the month, or you could put it up here, just wherever, and then right here I have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And so that just goes across in a little grid on my page. And these pages are not perfect at all, but it's what's been working for me as when I was using it. I really enjoyed filling this out. And so right here under Sunday, I would just put the date of the week that Sunday falls on. And then I just add a general guideline of what I had for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And sometimes I'll put in, like, if I have a snack, I can write that into one of those categories as well. Then I also have a place for me to remember to take my medications. And so I would just write, like let's say I take it 2 times a day. And so I'm going to make a little circle 2 times on my little page and just check that off when I take it. And as well as water. Sometimes I do cups of water, but mostly I do bottles. And so I would probably just go drawing in a bottle of water or a cup of water as I go drinking them. And then the workout log, I'll just put like what I did and for how long. Okay, next on the list is, this is my little planner that I've covered. It was a normal notebook that I just covered, a scribe. And I also made these little pockets in it. So I just lined the inside and then made a little pocket and taped it up. I've got these fun little stickers to go with it. And then this is the text that I can do all things in Christ. So I like that. Oh, and I'll show you the back. The back also, I have, don't forget that you're awesome. I believe this was a planner printout that I had in another planner from a while ago that I just recycled, and I cut it out and I just glued it onto the page. And right here I have another little place for like little stickers and things. So let's open up to the planner that I'm going to be using in January. So I've got a monthly setup. It has to-do, goals, notes. And then this is actually, I really enjoyed using her planner. It was fun. The Minimal Mom, I'll see if I can link the video. She has a free download, or she had it at the time that I got it. It's been a couple years. And this is part of that. It's the frog. Can't remember if it's called Eat a Frog planner or however, but it is pretty fun to use. And so I might go back to this if I don't like the setup that I have on the next page. But yeah, this is just kind of for habits. So you could put reading a book, read the Bible, also medication, or going to bed at a certain time, or whatever kind of thing that you want to do. That's kind of what you can do. But this is how I've got my days set up. And so I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday are going to share a little spot. And then here down at the bottom I've got a place for notes, and then I'm going to be using these little sticky notes because as busy moms, or anybody that's busy that's working, if you're not a mom, I'm just going to be writing down the tasks that I have, and kind of like if I didn't finish it this day, I can move it to the next day. You know what I mean? So you're not constantly like, oh, I didn't do it, so I have to pass it. You know, like you can just move this sticker over, and then when you're done, you know, you can either throw the sticker away or you can just leave it there and cross it out. And so that's kind of what I'm going to be doing. And then, so I've got notes here, and then I was thinking possibly like a project that I'm working on. I'm also going to be writing in here like what I'm going to upload what day. So this is kind of going to double as like a life planner as well as a little bit of a content planner. So I'm just going to add those together because it's easier for me to have it all in one place. So that's the setup that I have for like my daily planner, and a little bit of content is going to be going into here. And I do have a fun little project that we're going to be making. I'm excited to make it. I've actually have the yarn put aside for a while so that we can make it. So I'm excited for that. Okay, and here I have one of my notebooks that I use to actually design my projects in and all of that kind of stuff. I don't have anything fancy. It's just sheets of paper that I write, like sometimes I'll draw a little picture and I'll write down the things that I'll need for it. Sometimes I'll even tape a small amount of the yarn that I used so I can get the right thickness. I'll make sure that I write down the hook size, and if I can, the brand of yarn, things like that. And then also like the pattern. And then I also have like a general notes page apart from the pattern. I've seen that the Secret Yarnery just barely came out with a really nice planner. You don't need to buy that planner, but I mean it does look really fun. And if I decide that the stuff that I have going on here for my crochet stuff doesn't work out quite like I like it, I might splurge and buy her planner because it looks really nice. I'll link that below. And now we can go to my content planner, which is this. So I'm not going to show you all of these little sections. It's mostly just lists that I go making, but I have like ideas for shorts. I've been thinking to make a show and tell section, which is kind of show and tell, or possibly like craft session with the gringas is a little bit like probably a part that we could do. The projects that I have in mind, like video ideas. Then I do have like a calendar section that I've actually never even filled out. The part that I really like, and I'll show you because I don't have anything in March yet, so I'll show you that. Mostly I've just been doing calendar like in a list form. So I'll just write down like the month, and then I write down like the days of the week, and then I'll put a little sticker or like highlighter for days that I would like to be posting on or like uploading a video. So my goal is to have like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday a video up, and then Saturday. And that, it doesn't always happen that way, but that's what I've been trying to do. And so like let's say for March, I don't have much planned out just yet, but I'm starting to work on it. And like let's say it was on the 16th, it's a Saturday I believe, and so I'm probably going to be making something that's got green in it. I don't know what, but I will be thinking of something fun that we can make for St. Patrick's Day. And so that is going to be like something kind of fun and easy so that it's like a quick make, hopefully. So yeah, that's kind of just, and like with the stickers, like I say, because in the past, like on my list, I'll have to move things around. With the stickers, I feel like it's a little easier to go moving things around. This is basically just what's been working for me. I've got organized sections of like my ideas, and then what I've got out. Like I say, I am new to YouTube. I haven't been doing content for very long, and so I'm sure that this planner is not gonna work forever for me, because obviously I know that there's a lot more to it, and there's more things that I just haven't gotten into just yet. Like my main focus right now is just posting videos, like designing things, posting videos, thinking of ideas, and so that's basically just what this is for. I also have a section that's for script. I don't always use it, but when there's a video that I'm just not sure, I have gotten a little more comfortable talking on camera, and so that's good. But so if there's a video that I really want to get the wording just right, I'll make a script for it. So yeah, that's basically just what I've been doing planner wise, and what I'm going to start the new year with planner wise. And so it's kind of a simple plan, but it's been working for me, and so I just wanted to get on and share, because we are going to be doing a series, and we are going to be doing hopefully some fun and exciting projects for you guys. I'm excited about it, but like I said, it's going to be a little bit of planner stuff, a little bit of maybe stationery, organization stuff, and things like that that could be useful to get our lives organized slightly better, or just things like that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.